Have you ever found yourself scrolling through endless online shops, trying to find the perfect piece of furniture or decor for your home? With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But fear not, because today, we're going to take you on a journey through the best and most affordable websites for furniture and home decor. There are countless websites out there that offer a wide range of furniture and home decor options. From mid-century modern to bohemian to minimalist, there's something for everyone. And the best part? You can shop from the comfort of your own home without having to deal with crowded stores or pushy salespeople. Let's get started. Let's start with Ballard Designs. This site has a traditional feel with options for chandeliers, outdoor fountains, and vases for flowers. You can even choose from hundreds of fabrics for upholstered pieces. Next up is Jonathan Adler. This brand has expanded into colorful furniture, lighting, and accessories for your home. And don't forget to check out their pottery, like this amazing banana bud vase. One Kings Lane is another great option. It's a Decor flash sale site where you can find everything from coffee tables to starburst mirrors. And they specialize in amazing vintage items that will have your guests asking, "Where'd you find that?" IKEA is a classic choice for minimalist and functional designs, and while it's typically a store to shop in person, they've made online purchasing much easier in recent years. Anthropology is known for its fashion, but they also carry everything from bohemian bed frames to quirky kitchen gadgets and pretty bedding. Design Within Reach sells reproductions of classic mid-century modern designs, plus other modern items. H&M isn't just about fashion. It also boasts a solid home collection. Whether you're in need of accessories, vases, kitchenware, bedding, or more, H&M has you covered with stylish yet affordable options to decorate your space. West Elm has an earthy, vintage look that will work with anyone who's more bohemian in their style. The Citizenry is a great option for home goods from around the world. They partner with artisans to give you beautiful, ethically crafted treasures for your home. Walmart is the ultimate destination for those looking to combine grocery shopping with home decor purchases. Offering a diverse range of affordable home decor items, from kids' room essentials to area rugs and accent furniture, Walmart caters to every budget and style preference. Whether you prefer to shop in-store or online, Overstock offers a wide selection of furniture, decor, and home goods at low prices. Wayfair, known for great sales, discounted options, and a wide range of trendy and classic items. eBay, a treasure trove for home decor, offering pre-used furniture, vintage rugs, decorative pieces, and more. Amazon is another great option. With a growing selection of home decor and furniture, you can find everything from touch-control table lamps to minimalist dining table sets. Etsy is a treasure trove of unique, one-of-a-kind finds that will make your home feel truly special. TJ Maxx is the ideal choice to get deals without having to go through the options in person. Plus, everything here is super cute. Parachute is a brand that makes modern bedding and bath essentials. They're known for their percale sheet sets and top-rated mattress. Indulge in the allure of department store items at discounted prices at Nordstrom Rack. With an extensive home collection and seasonal decor, you can easily outfit your space with your favorite finds without breaking the bank. When it comes to decorating your bathroom, bedroom, or kitchen, Bed Bath & Beyond has you covered. In addition to organizational solutions, you'll discover a variety of decor items, including candles, vases, and wall pieces, to add a touch of personality to your home. World Market has a huge selection of furniture and accessories, with incredibly low price points. These websites offer a variety of home decor items, from furniture to accessories, catering to different styles and budgets, making it convenient for users to find the perfect pieces to enhance their living spaces. So next time you're looking to spruce up your space, remember to check out these sites. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating.